My name's Daniel Jones and I work at DTJ Interiors Limited, and I've just set up a joinery business. When I set up, I had a very open mind about producing anything that anyone asked for, because it's something that interests me, and I just wanted to be flexible, and so I got the most flexible machines I could and just wanted to be able to customize them and do whatever. And that's kind of taken the form of kitchens, wardrobes and bedroom and house furniture. I've worked with CNC machines before, and the thing that worried me the most about the previous ones was the support or the help of getting it from someone who I'd buy it off. So I approached Daltons because I knew that there'd be someone to call and someone on the other end of the phone who could, even if it's just a stupid question that I just don't want to mess around with something, and it's great to do that. So that was the main reason for going to Daltons. Went to the show, saw Andy, tried to sell me the CNC machine. I said no, and then I called him back 2 weeks later saying, actually, yeah, I want it, I changed my mind. So came back, viewed it, and it was just great. It does everything I need it to do, so it's perfect. It was just in the right budget, the right range. It was the size that I wanted, the power that I wanted, and just ticked all the boxes without being too over the top. So it kind of fit perfectly into what I was looking for. Because I was just setting up, didn't want to spend a fortune on capabilities that I wasn't going to use. I used 90% MFC with a melamine surface on it, and I can produce anything with that. Kitchens, wardrobes, bathrooms, home furniture, anything like that. Is all the cabinetry is just 80mm MFC, which then goes to the CNC, edge bands to get the nice finish on the edges, and just assembled, as simple as that. I was a bit nervous about the new bed on it because it's something that I've not seen before, but the suction's great, and I've also got the clamping capabilities if there is anything that might move. So that was something I've never seen before, and really works. And overall, the technical computer behind it is just like simple. You click a button to start and then it's done. Yeah, the bed's great. The automatic full changer I've had no issues, and it's got plenty of slots, so nice and simple to use and just works at the end of the day, and that's great. I use V-carve with the CNC, and that talks directly to the CNC machine, but I use a software called Polyboard for the cabinetry, which sorts out all the cams and dowels and everything. So very parametric, so it's super simple to use, and then I can produce any cabinet really. Yeah, it's been great. I started the process just before Christmas, and the machines have to get custom made, so that took a bit of waiting, but then they came, installed it, and it was set up and ready to go. And I needed a bit of support since, and that's just been a phone call that sorted me straight out.